I'm a 40-year-old girl dad. I'm going to lose 50 pounds while gaining 50 pounds on my bench press. Got me a bit of a man cold. You know, the one that's like scientifically proven to be 88% stronger for a man than a woman. That's the one I got. Dads don't sleep. You know, we got to take care of these kids, so we still need our protein. So I'm going to whip up a pretty easy meatloaf recipe that my bride and I have been loving. Let's see, what else was I going to say? I'm winging this from the tip here. The recipe I found, I kind of altered a little bit. You can alter it to your liking as well. We got our meat bowl, a pan to put it in. I think this is called a loaf pan, 9x5. All the ingredients, you actually don't even need this many ingredients. This is just what I want to put in it for seasonings. So here we go. They call me Emerald in the kitchen, as you can see. I just got a new iPhone 17 Pro, which is what I'm filming this on. So my little easy peasy plug-in microphone doesn't plug into this one, and I bought some adapters that happen to be charging capable only, and I don't know what to do. So if you have any suggestions for new mics for the 17 Pro, let me know. Now, I like my onions that are to be kind of fine. It's up to you. Do what you want to do. Got this handy dandy Pampered Chef. I don't even know if they're in business, but I think it works really nice. Hit that a couple times. Dog comes running, you know. Start crying because I love all you guys. A few of you watch my videos. I still like making them. I call it like a digital diary. This is about channels about weightlifting and being a dad and cooking a little bit. You know, hopefully my daughter finds these someday. Sees a little bit about who her dad was. You know, she'll learn that as we go, but right now she's little. So. Go, Barks. No. No. So get your onions how you like them. And we've made this without onions many times. If you don't like onions, don't do it. A little something like that. It'll cook in there too. There. Toss that in your bowl. Just like so. Pound and a half of meat is for one serving or one pan. Obviously, if you want it smaller or bigger, you do some math. That's what I'm doing. That's what the meat we get comes in. So that's what we're doing. Pop that open. This is why this is so easy. Just gonna throw it all in a bowl. Break it up a little bit. Do that. Then you're gonna season it how you like. The recipe I found calls for just salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper. If you have any cold remedies from your great grandma, let me know. Cause I feel like shit. So they just call for salt and pepper. Obviously, gotta have some of that in there. Do that. I like to go with a little Tony's. Honestly, I do it different every time, but this is what I'm feeling. Let's do that. Pardon the sniffles. My goodness. Little garlic salt seasoning. going crazy with it. We buy a really good grass-fed beef, so I kind of want to let that do its thing. A little parsley. You know, gotta get some green in there, I guess, instead. A little basil. Not a lot. Just a little. And then a little oregano. That. And then, let's see here. Get your 1 cup. Fancy schmancy deal. You're gonna do 1 cup of breadcrumbs to 1 cup of milk. I like to do this, heavy whipping cream. It makes the meat better, and I've been eating more kind of like protein, high fat. Not really keto, because I guess I limit the carbs, but so if you're limiting carbs, this ain't gonna hurt you. And you need an egg as well, which I forgot. Snag. So you're gonna take your egg. Should have done this before. You couldn't put it all in the bowl and just fucking send it if you want. I found it does work a little easier if you mix the wet ingredients first. So do that. Do guys wash their hands when they cook more than girls? I saw that on a cooking channel I've been watching. Funny guy Landon. We're cooking. You said we're cooking. So you're gonna do 1 cup to 1 cup of breadcrumbs. That's the ratio. You could use half and half. You could use milk. If you're really going low fat, I guess you could do skim milk. Probably won't taste that good. Put that in there. The rest drain in there. Make a big mess on your counter and then pull your garbage can over and wipe it in when you're all done. Give that a little mixy poo. Just pour that right in there. Ayo. I take the same 1 cup that I had, throw my breadcrumbs in it. This recipe I like because it comes out incredibly moist. Trigger word for some of you. Get the fuck over it. I'm gonna kill you. This is another trick I found that I really like. Put your parchment paper in your little loaf pan. First of all, it keeps it clean. And then when you're done, you're just gonna go like this and set it on your cutting board. Let it rest, and then you cut it. And then you'll see. You can't get it even easier. It's kind of a little trick to get it in there, but then you just mix this up. This probably takes longer than anything. I think some people say don't overmix. Whatever. I'm not a pro chef. Just like to eat good food and learn new cooking. Learn new cooking? Maybe a new recipe. So what I do is once I kind of get it roughly incorporated, you're going to use the mitts, use the paws. It's your best cooking utensil. I learned that from a guy when I was a young lad. So it's kind of what we're working with. And now we're going to get our hands dirty. Those were dads. And our kids wipe stuff on us, so who cares? And then I kind of do. I don't have a top. You guys only got one camera. Kind of do like that. I don't want to overmix, I guess. But you want it all incorporated. So once you got that looking pretty good, sure everything's off the bottom. Basically, you got your loaf right there. You're just gonna pile it in this pan. I'm cooking this later, so I'm just prepping this. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, but you're gonna preheat your oven to 350. And you're going to cook it to an internal temp of 160, I believe. Do your own research on that. That's what I'm going to do. It usually takes about an hour to get that done. at 350. And then the key is, guys, let it rest. That's what I've been learning as an older guy. Never wanted to let anything rest. All the juices collect back into the meat, especially if you're doing like a steak or something. And that is key. And then what I do is I'm gonna wash my hands again. For the 40th time, I'm gonna cut these out. No, I wanted to see how long it took me. We're gonna let it ride. But anyways, yeah, let it rest. I would say 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Because it'll be better, trust me. I take my fork again, and I'm just kind of pressing this to make it even so it cooks even. Obviously, one side's a lot taller, it's not going to cook the same. So basically just get it even. You can make a homemade barbecue sauce. You can use ketchup, mustard, and like salt and pepper with brown sugar. Like I said, I got a man cold. I'm not trying to do extra work. So I'm just going to throw some Sweet Baby Ray's or whatever you got. What you're going to do is throw it on the top of this. Bake it for an hour at 350, like I said. Let it rest. Let's see what we got in the fridge here. Let's see. Yeah, we're just going to go with this. Keep it simple. Boom. Stop the timer, bitches. That's what we're working with. Like I said, I'm going to cover this up and put it in the fridge until we cook it, but I'll show you a slice of it cooked. Thanks for watching.
You have one shot on stage, which you got to play. Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? It's money buying you fame. I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Since I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high harass, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high harass, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.